How to redeem Hilton Honors points. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to redeem Hilton Honors points, then you first of all have to join the Hilton Honors program in order to earn the points. Open up any web browser and search for Hilton Honors. Then click on this website that says Earn Points. Once you're here, you want to click on the Join Hilton Honors option that you can see. Once you click on this option, another page is going to open. Here, you will have to fill up some information. Go ahead and enter your first name, last name, phone number, email address, select country or region, then enter your address. Now create a password and click on the join option. Once you have joined the program, you can earn points from hotel stays. You can earn points when you stay at one of the 7,000 hotels around the world. You can get rewarded faster with limited time member only promotion. You can also earn points using your credit cards, lift rides, dining. You can also buy points. Once you have accumulated enough points, you can redeem your points. For that, you want to head over to Hilton.com and log into your account. Now, to get free nights, all you want to do is search for award availability, select Use Points box on the Hilton search tool. Then from here, enter your reward price in points. You can also redeem your points for different experiences such as getting VIP access to concerts, dining, sporting events, and much more. You can use points to pay for rides with the exclusive rideshare partner. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.